everyone, I'm Crystal Beshara and welcome to a little video on how to safely ship your artwork for international shipping in a wooden crate. In addition to carrying your own insurance, it's really important to carefully package your valuable artwork for a safe journey, both to and from the exhibition space in question. Stay tuned to the end where I offer up a helpful checklist. You may also want to check out my other companion video, What You Need to Know About Filling Out Your Custom Forms for International Shipments. In this edition, we are joined by my senior pug, Lily, who oversees that everything goes smoothly, but all without so much as lifting a single paw to help. I know that the initial investment of a wooden crate is quite a hefty one, but I have used this crate several times over and it's really paid off. I always attach labels hanging on the back of each individual painting. This just makes it a little bit easier for whoever is hanging the show at the other end. So I want to make sure that this wooden crate is nicely, softly padded. I'm using a combination of packaging that I've collected over the years, and I want to ensure that the painting doesn't have any wiggle room. So I am packing the edges of the painting with various soft molded structures. Could be recycled paper. In this case, I'm using bubble wrap and a combination of egg carton foam. Now, I am packing 3 paintings, so I want to keep them separate, and I've put a rigid piece of cardboard across the top, and I'm laying my other 2 paintings on top, and I'm putting them back to face, so all of the backs of the paintings are facing to the external portion of the crate. All of the sizes of these paintings are slightly different, so they do require some of that support to wedge them in place so that they're not moving around and rubbing or creating friction on the surface of the paintings. It is to be assumed that our packages get tossed around a little bit. Of course, the wooden structure of this crate will help to protect them, but even still, on the inside, I want them nice and safe and cozy. In this case, I'm shipping from Canada to the US. It's important to have copies of any supporting documents for customs and duty should these paintings not sell. If I want them to come back to me without being taxed or having to pay duty on them. Of course, the beauty of having a wooden crate is that one side can be completely removable, and I have indicated that with a marker on both the front and the back of this case. Then you want to secure that cover with some screws. I'm just using a drill to secure them in place. And that's it. You have a beautiful crate that's ready to be shipped safely with both customs, duty, waybill on the inside and outside, multiple copies for the border. And if you're ready for the next step, then check out the video on what you need to know before shipping artwork from Canada to the US for temporary exhibition. If you like this kind of content, be sure to comment, to like, and even hit that super thanks for me, which is down below. That really helps to support me and allows me to continue creating this free content for you right here on my art channel. For the complete list of art tutorials that I have available, visit my website, www.crystalbeshara.com/shop videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy painting as always. See you the next time.